Do you ever feel shy or awkward while talking to someone, or struggle to maintain conversations? If so, this video is just for you. Effective communication is a skill that serves you at every stage of life, no matter your profession. Why communication matters. Impress others with confidence. Persuade people to see your point of view. Influence emotions and build connections. Using insights from the book, How to Talk to Anyone. This video will teach you 3 essential techniques to help you master conversations. 1. How to initiate engaging conversations. 2. How to leave an unforgettable first impression. 3. How to captivate others with your words. Let's jump right in. Techniques for better conversations. 1. Overcoming shyness. Feeling nervous about speaking is normal, but you can overcome it with these strategies. Practice consistently. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Use apps to talk to strangers or customer care interactions for 2 to 3 minutes at a time. Create content. Start making videos on social media in your area of expertise. Talking in front of a camera builds confidence over time. Remember, progress is gradual. Even I've been through this process. It gets easier the more you do it. 2. The power of smiling. A smile can work wonders in any interaction. Whether at a showroom or a job interview, a friendly smile makes you approachable and confident. Smiling conveys positivity and shows genuine interest. Pair your smile with good eye contact for a stronger impact. Tip: visit a showroom and observe how salespeople use smiles to engage customers. It's a skill worth emulating. 3. Using names effectively. Addressing someone by name adds a personal touch that instantly impresses them. For example, saying, "Hi Dhruv, how's your day going?" shows attentiveness and creates a sense of connection. Brands like Starbucks leverage this trick by using customer names. It feels personal and appreciated. However, avoid using names casually with elders or informal settings. Assess the context before speaking. Conclusion: by practicing regularly, smiling warmly, and using names effectively, you'll be on your way to mastering the art of conversation. Support us by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications so you never miss our content.